With International Study Week, we exchange and welcome students from partner universities for an intense study week with an academic program and visits to companies. We work closely with Sogrape, which is a long-term partner of our school, and students have the opportunity to learn about the wine industry as we are in this Douro region.
And it's really interesting to share the knowledge of a business company, in this case a wine company, giving this knowledge about the whole value chain about wine. I hope we keep this partnership together with Católica.
So my experience with the Católica Porto Business School has been amazing. We had the great opportunities to talk to companies, get to know the country, get to know people from different countries like Italy, from Portugal, from Morocco even, so all over the world.
The International Week, which brought together people from diverse universities, allowed me to connect with people from diverse countries, truly embodying the real essence of international experience.
We had the possibility to visit the vineyards of Sogrape. Also, we had to visit the production site, where in the center of Porto they showed us how they integrate the exportation and also the production to make a product that is made and it really represents the city of Porto.
We made some workshops, some visits, and we made some friends, and that's the good thing of that week.
I had a really fun time this week and I learned a lot. It was all about the wine production from the company Sogrape. And the first day actually we didn't know anyone, but it was very well organized, so they immediately created groups for us to work with, and then we had the group for the entire week actually. And we also created a group chat with every student that was here, so we went out together, we ate dinner together, and we saw also the culture of Porto here in Portugal.
It's also really fun in Porto. It's really nice to get to know the city as a tourist on one side, but also to experience a bit of the student life and to get a little bit more of local information.
It was a great opportunity, and I think everyone should do it because you can create some friends, meet other people, meet other nationalities, know another culture, and I believe that it's a must-do for everyone.
With these international experiences, we want to provide students with different perspectives, different ways of thinking, and promote a global mindset, which will be very important for their future careers in our globalized economy.